Good morning, students. I, JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी। आज हम कौन सा सब्जेक्ट पढ़ रहे हैं? फार्मास्यूटिकल रेगुलेटरी अफेयर्स। एंड टॉपिक है हमारा अप्रूवल प्रोसेस ऑफ टाइमलाइन इन्वॉल्व इन इन्वेस्टिगेशनल न्यू ड्रग एप्लीकेशन। न्यू ड्रग एप्लीकेशन हमारा जो IND होता है, व्हाट इज IND? An IND submission to the Food Drug Administration requesting permission to initiate a clinical study, a new drug product. The Federal Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act require that drugs have an approved marketing application before they can be shipped in a interstate commerce. The IND application allows a company to initiate and conduct clinical studies for their new drug products. The IND application provides the FDA with the data necessary to decide whether the new drug and the proposed clinical trial pose a reasonable risk to the human subject participating in the study. What is IND? What is investigational new drug application? FDA is the role in the development of new drug. Begin when the drug sponsor has screened the new molecule for the pharmacological activity and acute toxicity potential in animal and wants to test its diagnostic or therapeutic potential in humans. The molecule change in the legal status under the Federal Food, Drug, Cosmetic Act and becomes a new drug subject to specific requirement of the drug regulatory system. Drug is not subjected to an approved marketing application before it is transported and distributed across state line. IND notice of claimed investigational exemption for a new drug must be filed with the regulatory body. Importance of IND. Importance of IND application. IND is required anytime I want to conduct a clinical trial of an unapproved drug. An IND would be required to conduct a clinical trial if the drug is a new chemically entity and not approved for the indication under the investigation in a new doses form. Being administered at a new doses level in combination with another drug and the combination is not approved, all clinical studies where an new drug is administered to human subject and regardless of whether the drug will be commercially developed and required IND. Why you don't need IND? In IND is not required to conduct a study if the drug. It is not intended for the human subject and but is intended for a in vivo testing or lab research animal. It is approved drug and the study is within its approved indication for the use. Types of the IND. What is the types of the IND? Investigator IND, emergency use IND and treatment IND. Firstly, we discuss about the investigator IND submitted by a physical who both initiates and conduct an investigation under whose immediate direction the investigational drug is administered or dispensed. Physician might submit a research IND to propose studying an unapproved drug or an approved product for a new indication or in a new patient population. Emergency use IND allows FDA to authorize use of an experimental drug in an emergency situation, does not allow time for the submission of an IND in accordance with the 21 CFR section 312.2.3 or section 312.34. Treatment IND submitted for the experimental drugs showing promise in clinical testing for a serious or immediate life threatening condition while the final clinical work is conducted and FDA review take place. Classification of the IND, first one is commercial and second one is research non-commercial. Commercial की बात करें, permits sponsor to collect data on clinical safety and effectiveness needed for the application for marketing in the form of NDA. Research non-commercial permits the sponsor to use drug in research to obtain advanced scientific knowledge of new drug. No plan to market for the product. Content of the IND in three broad areas: animal pharmacology and toxicology studies. Second one is manufacturing information, and last one is clinical protocol and investigator information. So first one is animal pharmacology and toxicology study, an assessment as to whether the product is reasonable, safe for initial testing in human. Any previous experience with the drug in humans. Now second one is manufacturing information, composition, manufactured stability and control used for the manufacturing the drug. Clinical protocol and investigator information, commitment to obtain informed consent from the research subject to obtain review of the study by institutional review board and to adhere to the investigational new drug regulation. Once the IND is submitted, the sponsor must be wait 30 days before initiating any clinical trial. During this time, FDA has an opportunity to review the IND for safety to assure that research subject will not be subjected to unreasonable risk. Format of the INDA, फॉर्मेट कैसा होता है हमारा INDA का? जब हम फाइल करते हैं किसी भी न्यू ड्रग की एप्लीकेशन को फाइल करते हैं, फर्स्टली हमारा होता है डिवाइडेड इनटू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स. फर्स्ट वन इज cover sheet form FDA 1571 is further divided into different parts. Cover sheet, name, address, telephone of sponsor, identification of face, commitment not be begin CT until IND approval, and commitment by IRB, commitment for conducting CT, and name, title, monitor, name, title, person and reviewer, name, address and CRO, and signature of the sponsor. Second one is table of content, and third, introductory statement and general investigational plan. Next one is investigator brochure, and next one also is a very important part of the format of the INDA. Study protocol and investigator facility and IRB data. Next one, chemistry, manufacturing and control data. Pharmacology and toxicology data, and last one is previous human experience. Resource of the IND application. Pre-investigational new drug application consultation program is very important for the new drug discovery. Offered by CDER, Center for Drug Evaluation and Research, to foster early communication between a sponsor and new drug review division in order to provide guidance on the data necessary to warrant IND submission. Guidance document for IND. Documents are prepared for FDA review staff and applicants' sponsors to provide guideline to the processing, content and evaluation, approval of the applications, and also to the design, production, manufacturing and testing of the regulated products. Guidance of the document, अगर हम guidance of the document की बात करें, for the complete list of the CDER guidance, please see the guidance index. Index safety reporting requirement, CGMP, phase 1 investigational drug, exploratory IND studies, content of the format of investigation and Q&A, bioavailability and bioequivalence, IND exemption and guideline for the drug master formula. According to drug master formula is very important for the new drug development, and required specification, immunotoxicity evaluation, laws, regulation, policies and procedures. Now we come to the procedures of the IND. The Federal Food and Cosmetic Act is the basic food and drug law of the USA. The law is intended to ensure consumers that food are pure and wholesome. Laws, regulation, and policies procedure. Policies procedures are Code of Federal, according to Code of Federal 21 FR. IND review process. This is the flow chart of the IND review process. Application drug section, then IND, and then we divided into two categories. And now this is the process of the filing of the review process of the IND. Drug development process. Drug development process is very important for the IND process. New drug development and the review process is shift from the test tube to new drug application review. Phases of the clinical testing. Phases of the clinical testing we have already discussed in last class. Clinical trial. Clinical trial are divided into 4 parts. First one is the research and development and clinical studies and medicine approved. Introductory statement, descriptive of the investigational drug, all active ingredient, drug pharmacological classification and structural formula, and route of administration, summary of the previous human experiences, and formulation of dosage form, objective and planned duration to proposed clinical investigation. Investigational plan, description of clinical studies planned for the experimental drug, purpose of the study, indication to be studied, and types of the trials is also enumerate for the investigational plan, number of study subject and risk involved. Clinical protocol. Clinical protocol is described the objective of a study, trial design, subject are selected, and how the trial to be carried out. It should contain the following elements: the statement of the objective's purpose to study, name, address, and qualification of each investigator participating in the study protocol, name the address of the each clinical sites. Chemistry, manufacturing, and control data is also the part of the IND, and pharmacological and toxicological data for the pharmacological study and drug disposition, integrated toxicology summary, and previous human exposure. FDA review for the IND. FDA review of the IND is followed the some parameters. First one is chemistry, biopharmaceutics, medical, statistics, and microbiology, pharmacology, and also the toxicology section. IND annual reports. It should contain the following norms: individual study information and summary of the study, and listing of any significance foreign marketing development with the drug. Example, approval in the another country. So this protocol is important for the approval process of the timeline involved in the investigational research program. This is the complete session. So thank you, students.